So let's talk about the camera of the Vivo U20. As you can see here, this is the selfie camera, which is a 16 megapixel sensor, and at the back here you get a triple camera setup of a 16 megapixel, 8 megapixel and 2 megapixel sensor. And this combination offers you ultra wide angle lens and a macro sensor as well. Now let's open up the camera and check it out. As you can see here, there are a lot of features and a lot of things you can do with the phone. So let's talk about it one by one. So you have, this is the normal photo mode, and you can tap on this to get the three features. One that is ultra wide angle, and then this is for depth, and then this is super macro for taking like really close-up images. You also have a separate tab just for portrait images, and then there's another one for night photography under the night mode. There is another section which you can open and explore more options like live photo, slow motion videos, time lapse, then there's a pro mode, AR stickers and more. So let's check out the selfie camera. Now the selfie camera also has quite a few features like the rear cameras, like you have the live photo, the slow motion, time lapse as well. And you also have the portrait mode, so you can take portrait images of yourself. And another thing you'll notice here is this feature which basically will let you alter some things on your photo, like you can change the skin tone, you can adjust the whitening, you can thin your face if you want. Then there's like a lot more you can do for anyone interested in such things. There's this fun little thing called AR stickers, so you can try different stickers here. Like I've got this cat thing on my face, end up looking like this. And there are more stickers that you can check here, like this one, then there's this, basically a lot of cat. So this is what you can do with the cameras on the Vivo U20. As we've already shown you, there are quite a bunch of features available here that you can experiment with. So this is what the Vivo U20 has to offer in the camera department. To recap, it has a triple camera setup with AI-based features. We'll be back with more tech videos on Hindustan Times, so stay tuned.